This is Headsnack, official artist of Eventide Audio, and I have a new album called Secret Handshake. I'm going to show you some production tricks from the album. This song is called My Favorite Song, and there's a cool effect on the female vocal called Ultra Tap. Ultra Tap is a really versatile multi-tap rhythmic effect, so it chops up my female vocal and widens the stereo spread. Here it is dry, and with the effect. And all together. This next track, Eye of the Universe, has a synth line that sounds sort of like a lead guitar. To get this effect, I use Mangle Verb, which is a really cool combination of reverb and distortion. Here it is dry, and with the effect. And all together. This song is called Cloud Storage Wars, and I use the H949 harmonizer to add delay, repitch, and glitch. Here it is dry, and with the effect. And all together. If you liked what you heard today, please check out my new album, Secret Handshake, on pledgemusic.com/headsnack, and go to eventideaudio.com to download 30-day fully functional demos of all their software.